Demons of All Wildlife Removal here. I got a great opportunity to show you the difference between our company and other companies in the way that they do work. Um, when I get customers calling me, asking me for a quote over the phone, I get so many customers that end up getting off the phone with me and calling up another company because they get a quote over the phone and they think it's handled. And this is a prime example, what I'm about to show you, of exactly what it entails to give a quote over the phone. So this is a company that will give you a quote over the phone. This is a guy that will tell you, hey, $350 will come by your house and we'll, take care of this raccoon issue for you. Raccoons are habitual. They come back on a regular basis and try to break into your house over and over again. So what we do is we look at your house as a whole and we solve the problem as a whole, because it's the way to do it. It alleviates the customer. You don't end up with raccoon feces all over your place. You don't end up with babies back inside. You don't end up getting more damage done to your home. Get it done properly the first time and you're not going to be back and forth to a guy's house 60 times. For instance, you got down here, this is a flat part of the roof where water is going to consistently build up. And what you have here is you have screws that have absolutely no caulking behind them. As you can see right there, that goes into the roof and it has nothing stopping water from getting in there. And it's not just one screw, it's like 10 or 15 screws. And you look over here and you've got a piece of screening hanging on the guy's roof, doing absolutely nothing. It's just sitting there. There you go. Because if you cared about somebody's home, that would not be sitting there. Secondly, or thirdly, I should say, here you got a bunch of screening that's actually installed and it's not doing anything. It's just sitting here. It has absolutely no purpose to it whatsoever. It's got no caulking behind the screws, so you've got water leaks inside there. I can actually literally pull that out and just screw it up. It's ridiculous. Now what's happened is he screened up all the way to this area right here, and the raccoon has then turned around and just busted open the screening. See it? Look at that work. It's just so shoddy. And then what the raccoon's done is come over here and busted out another area just to wake itself in. This area should have been screened all the way across right to the front. You have to understand the animals. You have to understand the work that is entailed to do these jobs properly. And unfortunately, this guy doesn't get it. But he will give you a quote over the phone. It's a quick fix, $350. A year later, you have the same raccoon back inside, having babies, destroying your attic, doing thousands of dollars of damage. And on top of that, he's actually given the ability to do more damage to your home. And this is what you get by, hey, yeah, $350 will be there tomorrow. That's what you get for that. Proper inspections entail going over the whole entire house, checking it out, seeing what needs to be done for the long term. That's what our company does. Long-term effects. 5-year guarantee up front. We renew the guarantee in 5 years. We always have to stay in contact with you to make sure that if you get a new roof, we come back, reinstall our screening, because it doesn't matter you got a new roof. They will come back, try to break in, and if our screening's not intact, they will get back into your home. So that's why we stick with our customers. We constantly talk to them. We always inform them of what goes on and how it goes on, and we don't come to your house free of charge, and we don't give quotes over top of the phone. Come to your house with an upfront fee of $50. As long as you're not wasting our time, you're not wasting your money. You've looked into our company, you know that we have a positive reputation, that we stick with our customers and we don't hang them out to dry. But that's what you get. You get what you pay for in this country, 100%. We don't do everything cheap, but we do everything properly, and we don't mess up a $500,000 investment so a customer could save a few bucks on a job. This job, if we kept going with the same guy, he'd be over here every 20 days. Fixing this problem, fixing that problem, and right now there's probably going to be water leaks going underneath this actual portion of the roof, causing mass amounts of damage.